Right, welcome to K.S.M creativity YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload your thumbnail to your video on your YouTube channel. So thumbnail is one of the things that usually attract the audience. That's first thing the audience will first see before they can click on your video. You guys can see all this for now. So make sure you first design your thumbnail. So get your thumbnail ready down. So then you will first upload your video to your YouTube channel. After uploading your video, so what you are going to be doing is to just come here. So I'm going to use this particular video for the practical of this tutorial. So this particular, as you can see, this one doesn't have thumbnail, but when you upload your video, YouTube will automatically just select some parts out of your video as your thumbnail. So but to change it to your thumbnail that you already designed down inside your gallery, so we now click on these three dots here. Click on these three dots at this side. So when you click on it, you are going to see edit. So you see edit at this side. So click on edit. When you tap on edit, you are going to see your video like this. So as you can see, YouTube already suggests some parts out of video as thumbnail to this particular video. So I will now click on this side. I'll click on this. So when I tap on this button here now, when I tap on it, as you can see, this all the side that YouTube are already suggested as a thumbnail for me. So I will now click on custom thumbnail. So I'll click on custom thumbnail. So when I tap on it, it will lead me to gallery. So I will now select the thumbnail that I want to be using. So I will click on it. So as you can see, after I selected it like this, I will now click on done at top here. So I will click on done. When I click on done, then I will now click on save. I will click on save at here. So you can see I click on save. So as we see right now, this particular video now already have thumbnail now, as you can see it. So that's a simple way to upload thumbnail to your video on your YouTube channel. So kindly make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss our upcoming tutorial. Thank you for watching this one. See you in the next tutorial.